I'm River.
I'm Andy.
And this is the River and Mandy Show. And
today we're going to do questions. Ask your questions.
Okay.
If you were, do you know any famous people? And if you do, can I have the number? By Amber and Alabama.
No, I don't. And no, I wouldn't give their number away because that's an invasion of privacy. Okay. Next question.
What kind of cell phone do you have? By Zach in California.
I have a Samsung too. And it's okay, but it does play music and it's not a music and it doesn't have videos.
How many pets do you have? I say in Texas.
I have a lot of birds, a dog, and a kitty.
What's your real hair color by Alexis in Texas?
Brown.
Brown, yeah. Okay, that's it. That's all our questions.
Okay, now what do we do? Okay, you know it's better than just that. You're kidding around. Now, let's go on fake fighting. And that was fake fighting. Okay, now, mess up each other's hair. And that was messing up each other's hair. Okay, now what we're gonna do today is what are we gonna do today?
I don't know.
I forgot.
I did too.
Make fun of movies. Where are my substance?
Zero at Sherry's.
Can't even see you. Man, I can't even see you.
Oh, it's good, right? Like, now it is a time for underdogs.
You ready?
Wait.
Yeah!
They're all stupid, they fall.
I didn't see you.
Thousand. Sure. Underdog. That's really awkward.
Okay. That was Underdog Imitations and Star Wars. Yes or no question. Do you like dogs? Do you like cats? Do you like our rib show?
Do you like Cheyenne?
No!
That's your answer. Okay, if you want to answer us back, you tell us on you right on the YouTube, and we say okay.
Who's getting beat right now?
Prairie is.
And then
What?
Prairie.
River smells like
Prairie stinks
cupcake.
like.
Prairie
smells like the lake.
Prairie's retarded.
And that was
Why
Prairie.
does it smell like skunk?
Yeah, it does. Smells a lot like skunk.
Now what we're going to be doing on River and Mandy
Yes, it
Show
does.
I don't smell anything.
I do.
is Randy's
Smell it
arguing
from
with my
here.
brother Prairie. And I'm talking to you guys.
Don't you shut the door on us, mister.
Don't you shut the door on us, little missy.
sound effect.
Hey, Bird, there's some losers outside.
Prairie, there's people outside.
They're in a red car.
Okay, no you don't. A river. And we're back. Ow! You hit me in the head.
I didn't mean to.
And we're back.
River Mandy smell.
Prairie stinks like skunk.
Yeah,
It's actually you that smells like skunk
No,
candy.
it's you.
No, I just remembered it's you.
No, I remembered it's you.
I
You're
just
rude.
now remembered it's Mandy that
It's
smells like
you're
skunk.
rude.
Mandy
Yeah,
smells
that's
like
a great
skunk.
tribute to
Prairie,
our
you've been wearing no
show.
shorts for your whole week.
Nope,
We'll
I
be
washed
right
it.
back.
No, you didn't.
We'll be right back. BRB.
You want to get beat?
Prairie.
Oh, Mandy just said she wants to get beat first.
No, I said Prairie does.
Mandy's gonna get
No,
beat
so
first.
Prairie wants to get
Do,
beat.
here she comes,
What?
Lucky Mandy.
Prairie wants to get beat.
Because I'm going to down the hill.
Prairie wants to get beat while going down the hill.
Hey, I just remembered. It's time for Mandy to get some.
I just remembered.
Look what time it is. It's time for you.
Can we play our Xbox?
No. Not while I'm gone.
Oh.
I'm doing something on it.
You're gonna be gone all day. And we're back. Back. We're back.
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 Back. Back. Back.
Look what I can do with my fingers. Wait, hold on.
Now let's get on to Mandy's music.
Mandy's music.
Mandy's music. Mandy's music. We only had time for one song.
Okay.
Mandy's music. Mandy's music. Mandy's music is the best music in town. Mandy's music. Mandy's music.